Experiment 5. Aim. To trace the path of the rays of light through a glass prism. Theory. Mechanism of ray path in prism. When a ray of light enters from the rarer medium to denser medium, it bends towards the normal, RDTN, whereas when it enters from denser to rarer medium, it gets away from normal, DRAN, of the object. In the prism, we observe that glass prism has more refractive index as compared to air, so the light will bend towards the normal and will emerge in air medium moving away from the normal. Refer to ray diagram. Angle of prism. It is the inner angle of one side of the prism, denoted by A. Angle of deviation. It is defined as angle between incident ray and emergent ray, denoted by D. Angle of incidence. It is the angle between incident ray and the normal. Angle of emergence. It is the angle between the emergent ray and the normal. Plot of variation of D with I. The graphical representation of D and I shows that with increase in I, the D decreases till a particular value of I and attains minimum value, that is, dm, angle of minimum deviation. Procedure. 1. Fix a white sheet of paper on a drawing board with the help of drawing pins, and then place a prism on the paper and mark its boundary ABC. 2. Draw a line RQ as the incident ray inclined at some angle to the normal N1. 3. Fix 2 pins of the line RQ which are separated by a large distance as P1 and P2. 4. Look through the face AC of prism ABC and fix 2 more pins P3 and P4 in such a way that all P1, P2, P3 and P4 must lie in a straight line. 5. Mark emergent ray meeting the face BC of prism at S. 6. Produce line of P1, P2 and P3, P4 in such a way that they should be intersected as shown in Fig. 7. Measure the angle of incidence, angle I and also angle of deviation. 8. Repeat this experiment by varying the value of angle I, angle of incidence. Observation and calculations. On the basis of above procedure, complete the following observation table given below. Mean value of angle of incidence, angle I is equal to angle I1 plus angle I2 plus angle I3 plus angle I4 upon 4, angle I plus so on. Mean value of angle of deviation, angle delta is equal to angle delta 1 plus angle delta 2 plus angle delta 3 plus angle delta 4 upon 4, angle delta is equal to so on. Result and conclusion. We can conclude that, if we increase the angle of incidence, the angle of deviation is also increased and vice versa. Precautionary measures. The distance between the pins should not be less than 10 cm, approx. The same angle of prism should be used for same type of observation. The pins should be vertically erect. The base of all the pins should lie in same line. The pins should be observed from a distance equal to the distance of distinct visions.